Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Tesla Model S glove box. Unlike traditional vehicles, the Model S glove box operates solely through the central touchscreen. There isn't a physical button or lever to pull, so you'll need to interact with the digital interface. This design choice emphasizes the minimalist interior and integrated technology of your Tesla. Make sure your vehicle is awake and powered on to begin this simple process. To open the glove box, first locate the main controls on your large central touchscreen. You'll typically find a controls icon or menu at the bottom of the display. Tapping this will bring up various vehicle functions. Within this menu, you'll easily spot the glove box icon, often depicted as a small box. This intuitive interface makes accessing vehicle features straightforward and quick. Once you've found the glove box icon, a single tap on the touchscreen is all it takes. The glove box will then unlatch and gently swing open, revealing its contents. You might hear a subtle click as the electronic mechanism engages, confirming the action. This seamless operation highlights the advanced engineering within your Tesla, providing convenience at your fingertips with minimal effort. Remember a few key points for smooth glove box access. If your Model S battery is completely depleted, the glove box will not open, as it requires power. Always ensure your vehicle is in park before attempting to open it for safety. Also, keeping your touchscreen clean will ensure optimal responsiveness and clear visibility of all controls. Enjoy the convenience of your Tesla's innovative design.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.